Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make Rednote account public. So if you already set your Rednote account to private and now you want to turn it back to public, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to make Rednote account public, all you just need to do is open the Rednote application. On the Rednote page, click on Me to go to your profile page. On the profile page, click on Settings beside Edit Profile, or click on Menu at top left and click on Settings. Then on the Settings page, under Settings, locate and click on Privacy Settings. Under Privacy Settings, Disabled Protection Mode. Once Protection Mode is enabled, your Rednote account will be made private for the next 7 days. To make it public or unprivate your Rednote account, just click on this button to disable Protection Mode. And once Protection Mode is disabled, then you cannot hit the back button and your Rednote account will be made public again. So that is basically how to unprivate or make Rednote account public. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.